Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the PIN number on your T-Mobile app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your PIN number on the T-Mobile app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the bottom right-hand corner where it says Manage. Now, the first thing that you want to do is log on to the T-Mobile app. Next, click on Manage on the bottom right-hand corner. Now, from this page here, you want to click on the gear icon on the upper right-hand corner. Now, from this option here, you want to go ahead and click on Security. Next, on this option here, you want to go ahead and click on T-Mobile ID. Now, once you click on T-Mobile ID, you're going to see some options here. You want to go ahead and click on PIN/passcode, but click on the down magenta icon or arrow. So here's where you can enter your new PIN number and then re-enter it again, and then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your PIN number on the T-Mobile app. You necessarily just have to actually change it in order to get a new PIN. But there you have it, guys. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.